Howdy folks, Josh Murphy here with Smith System. When designing the perfect classroom environment, there are 5 zones to consider: desking, seating, storage, teachers' needs, and lastly, the wall zone. With over a century of experience designing and delivering quality classroom furniture, Smith System has decided to take on this challenge. In 2020, Smith System partnered with the leading manufacturer of highly durable ceramic steel whiteboards, PolyVision, to bring you a new collection of whiteboards and mobile whiteboards to help you and your customers leverage the vertical plane. So you're probably asking, what is ceramic steel? The PolyVision continuous coil process produces a high-grade ceramic surface that is non-porous, uniform in both color and strength, without a directional grain. Through this process, inorganic color oxides are fused to form an inert surface. Ceramic steel products are extremely durable, easily cleanable, and magnetic for easy tacking. These ceramic steel products are used in 98% of classrooms across North America. Some of the key features of the ceramic steel is that it's chemical resistant, scratch resistant. It's a hygienic material, meaning that it's bacterial resistant as well, fire resistant, graffiti resistant, and finally stain resistant. As mentioned, the PolyVision serif and mobile whiteboards from Smith System are bacteria resistant by utilizing a hygienic ceramic steel surface. This surface incorporates an additive of silver microparticles formulated to create a clean surface within 24 hours. Silver ions are used in a variety of medical and non-medical products, as well as clinically tested skincare products. These silver microparticles slowly release silver ions over time and will actively work to keep the surface clean for the lifetime of the product. This makes it ideal to use in demanding environments where cleanliness is vital.
Hi folks, Misael Aguirre here with Smith System. With a slim profile, clean edges, and rounded corners, Serif A3 ceramic steel whiteboard panel delivers a blend of design and functionality for collaboration spaces. Designed to promote creativity and facilitate teamwork, Serif is a thin ceramic steel panel with standoff mounts in a satin chrome finish. Precision cut edges are sealed with a durable lacquer, while also rounded corners provide a modern premium look. The Planner Studio Whiteboard is now available with the hygienic and magnetic PolyVision ceramic steel surface. The Planner Studio Whiteboard perfectly complements our Planner Studio line of tables to create a unique, creative environment for today's learners. It provides a sophisticated looking two-sided writing surface and includes a small shelf located on both sides to hold markers and erasers. The unit is available in 5 frame colors: apple, cerulean, orange, platinum, and charcoal. 4 locking casters are provided for mobility as well.
So now let's talk about the ceramic steel mobile whiteboard. A3 ceramic steel mobile whiteboard by PolyVision enables on-the-go collaboration. This two-sided whiteboard features casters that lock or unlock, allow it to roll smoothly across the floor. Line up multiple boards side by side for large brainstorming sessions, separate them for smaller breakout sessions, or simply move collaboration from one room to the other. When not in use, the mobile whiteboards nest easily to save on space. The aluminum frame, as shown, is in a black powder coat. However, Smith System will be offering this in a platinum finish to blend seamlessly into any space. So let's talk about the next wall zone offering from Smith System. Flow A3 ceramic steel vertical modular whiteboard panels by PolyVision are a full height writing system that allows users to mount panels side by side to maximize wall coverage. With no vertical joint covers, this modular system is easy to install and configure, making it simple to integrate into any environment. Frameless Edge offers a modern aesthetic that looks like a canvas ready to be filled. From smaller spaces featuring 2 to 3 panels to large training areas with 5 or more panels, the ability to mount side by side means that there's no limit to wall coverage. Single panels not available for use.
PolyVision warrants that all porcelain enameled surfaces and/or products made with A3 ceramic steel collaborative products will retain its writing and erasing qualities and maintain its gloss variance and color consistency for the life of the building or for as long as the product is in use, whichever comes first.
Regarding care and maintenance for your PolyVision ceramic steel products, simply clean, rinse, dry your board before first use and then on a regular basis. While you can use any dry erase cleaner material, the best solution is simply water.
With the addition of PolyVision products to the Smith System portfolio, we can now leverage the vertical plane.
The PolyVision and Smith System collaboration will enhance the aesthetics and functionality of the vertical wall space in any learning environment.